Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia back with yet another sponsored hair video. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button and let's get straight to the video. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Better Length Hair, and they have Yaki clip-ins that they sent me. These are 1B 16-inch Yaki clip-ins, just one pack. And I'm gonna go ahead and press my sister's hair out. We did shampoo her off camera. So all I'm gonna do is just show you guys the blow dry, and I'm also gonna show you guys how I press it out and also use a new straightener brush that was sent to me. So I'm just showing you guys Courtney's hair. She has a lot of shrinkage and we have not pressed her hair in over a year. So this will be the first time that she's had her hair pressed, and I am gonna go ahead and like trim her ends and then I'll add the clip-ins in. Courtney has a 1-year-old daughter, so she does have a little bit of postpartum shedding in the front of her hair, and she's currently pregnant now. So we're working on like growing that back in. So don't come for my sister, y'all, don't. So I'm just showing you guys her hair, and I'm just gonna let go and show you guys the shrinkage. Like, it is so freaking real. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry her with my Rush Speed Freak and a Paul Mitchell 427 brush, and I will attach everything down below, as well as the information from Better Length Hair as well. I will link the exact hair that I have in, along with any discounts or coupon codes they might send to me. So I'm just gonna do my thing, and I will come back when it's time for me to press her hair. And you guys just wanna make sure that you put a heat protectant in or a serum. You never just wanna blow dry the hair by itself. So yeah, Courtney's hair is super long, but she definitely needs her ends trimmed. Like I said, it's been a year, so we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that today. Here I'm just going in with the S3 spray by Influence. I can tag this below, but again, you have to be licensed to use this product, and I do apologize. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just gonna use this straightener brush. I've already blow dried her hair the way I wanted to. I just wanted to see how straight this brush would get her hair. It does have 3 settings, and I put it on the high setting, which I believe is 400. And I was just running this through just to get a general idea of what it would do. But then I'm just gonna go in with my custom irons that are already getting ready to launch, guys, super soon. And I'm going to actually press her hair out with my irons. So if you have not already, go visit www.cassandraolivia.com and sign up for my mailing list, so that way you will not miss the launch. So now that that's done, I'm just going in with my flat iron. I'm just gonna go ahead and press all of her hair out completely. I am going to take a look at her ends and just handle those, and then we're just gonna get the clip-ins started. These clip-ins are super easy to install. All you need to do is just make sure your hair is straight or blow dried super straight, and then you just press the clip-ins in between each layer of hair. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean. I'm gonna do a sort of kind of sped up but not too fast tutorial of me adding the clip-ins. Like I said, they're super easy to put in. So if you're somebody that doesn't want to wear weaves or wigs and you just want something quick that you can blend with your hair, then these are for you. And I got 16 just because the hair is pretty long, but as you can see, it's kind of thin. So I did trim her ends off camera, and now I'm just going in and adding the clip-ins in her hair. I'm cracking up because it looks like I'm being mad aggressive, but I promise you guys I'm not. I was just trying to get the clip-ins to snap. And I probably was being heavy-handed because she's my sister, but she was fine, so don't come for me. And you just want to make sure you part the hair. You put the bigger clip-ins in the bigger sections of the hair where it's wider, and then you want to put the smaller clip-ins towards the top or even in the back. You just want to make sure that you're sizing them up and making sure that they're going to fit where you place them. And all I'm doing is just sectioning her hair, and any parts that I feel as though I want to add a little bit more fullness and length to her hair, I'm just going in the front, and I'm just going to camouflage her sides just a tiny bit, just to give her like a more natural look. And that way she can feel super fly, and yeah, she doesn't have to worry about trying to cover up her hair when the wind blows or anything crazy like that. So this is like a super, super easy install. Once I'm done putting these clip-ins in, I am going to go in with a little bit of pomade, and I'll link that down below. Also, it's by Influence. I believe it's called Thermosil. And I'm just going to apply that all throughout the hair, and then I will just press it one time on low, and I'm just doing that to make sure that her extensions and her hair blend together seamlessly. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. So I just went in with the Thermosil, and I'm just making sure that I put that all throughout her hair evenly. And then I'm just having her hold the clip-ins just so that way I'm not yanking them out on accident. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just lightly press over her hair. And then I'm gonna do her edges with the Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges. And she is pretty much done. So we're gonna sit here and flex for you guys. Again, don't forget to check out Better Length Hair, and I will link everything down below. I hope everybody enjoys this video. I hope you guys enjoy having my sister on my channel, because I really enjoy doing her hair. And yeah, this video is completed. I hope you guys enjoy this natural Yaki clip-in look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Everybody have a great and productive day. Bye.